Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera kepada semua warga Fakulti Undang-Undang Universiti Malaya. To all students and staff, I would like to wish you a very happy and joyous period of celebrating Hari Raya Aidilfitri. As you enter into the last few days of this holy month of Ramadan, I believe that you will continue to reflect on the true meaning of Ramadan, to continue to share in the sentiment of Ramadan, to take a lead in your charitable acts, in your welfare of other people, and of course, as we then enter into the joyous month to celebrate Hari Raya, I would like to wish all of you a truly joyous and enjoyable time with friends and family. Selamat Hari Raya Aidilfitri, Maha Zahir dan Batin. From the deepest of my heart to all of you, enjoy yourselves, be good, and come back. We will look forward to seeing all of you as we take forward the very exciting plans of the faculty into the new year. Thank you very much. Selamat Hari Raya.